What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And we have the C10 here that the bed was taken off of and painted and everything we was doing the two-tone on. So let's get into that. So this would be the truck. If you remember from the video, the bed on it was brand new. We had to paint it. Well, we got her done. We got the two-tone on the bottom done on there. We got this one done. We also had to do the tailgate, which was used. And as you can see, we did the inside of the bed is also all the way around, painted the inside of the bed. And then you know, same thing on this side. As you can see there, she came out good. She is you know, as you can see, she's slick. Turned out really nice. And then if you remember, I was talking about the paint color here because you know, it's hard to match a paint when you don't know the code, you don't know the brand, you don't know nothing. It's just there's some paint on something, make it match. And it's hard to do a butt match and make it match. But my paint guy that mixes our paint, I mean, he knocked it out the park because it's a dead match. There's no difference. Even the gray, we had no idea what color that was. He knocked that out of the park. So that was really nice that turned out really good. And this is not just a dull reddish color. This has gold pearl in it. When the sun hits it, it's almost like a burnt orange color. It's completely different color. It's a really nice color in the sun. Unfortunately, it's cloudy, so you can't really see it. But she's ready to go home. She's ready to go back. And then this guy, I guess, I don't know what he's doing with it. If he's selling it, if he's keeping it, who knows what he's doing with it. Nice little truck, though. Not one of my, I mean, I like square bodies, but it's not one of my favorites. But yeah, it's a pretty sharp little truck. But I wanted to share that with you, and I'm kind of irritated because my GoPro, for some reason, the footage is gone of me painting this and doing it. And I mean, I had probably it's probably an hour video of doing this, you know, taping everything off, showing you how to do it while it's drying, blah blah blah, clearing and everything, and it's all gone. It's like it says the file's corrupted. So that was great. So I have to make this video to kind of update you guys. But I just wanted to show you that. And you know, when you do this right, you can't even feel your body line there. Or your paint line, it's gone. But as I always do, so you got to seal this. So I sealed the whole panel, you know, with whatever color sealer you got to use, which was gray. Seal everything, let that dry, and then I'll take and tape up here, put paper and tape, and then I'll paint my gray, let that dry, tape off my gray, paper it, paint the rest of it red, peel everything off, clear coat it. That's how I do it. It's not always what it seems. It's not always as easy as you think. There's always something that you're just not thinking about that comes and bites you right in the butt. There you go, guys. I just wanted to update you on it. She's ready to go home. Unfortunately, I didn't get to show you everything, but hey, appreciate you guys tuning in.